Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. Today, we will cover crucial steps to ensure your laptop performs at its best. Let's dive right in. First, gather the necessary tools for the maintenance process. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, microfiber cloths, and thermal paste for reapplying, if necessary. These tools will make the job easier and more efficient. Begin by turning off your laptop and unplugging it from any power sources. Make sure to remove the battery if your model allows for it. This is a vital safety step to prevent any electrical issues while working on your device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your ThinkPad X1. Carefully use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove each screw. Keep them organized, as you will need to replace them later. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you understand any issues your device may have. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. After opening the panel, you will gain access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, let's focus on cleaning the interior. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the fans and heat sinks. This step is crucial, as dust buildup can lead to overheating. If you notice any signs of thermal paste deterioration, apply new thermal paste to the CPU and GPU. This will help maintain optimal temperatures and performance. While you are cleaning, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any visible damage or loose connections. If you come across any issues, you can easily contact us for a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front before proceeding. After cleaning, carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Double-check to ensure everything is snug and properly seated. If you're feeling uncertain about reassembling, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid any hassle. Once your laptop is reassembled, plug it back in and power it on. Monitor the performance to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems, do not hesitate to reach out for assistance. No calls, no travel, just simple solutions. In summary, proper maintenance of your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 involves regular cleaning, inspection, and timely repairs. By following these steps, you will extend the life of your device and maintain its performance. If you prefer professional assistance, keep in mind our services are always ready to help you with any maintenance needs at home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.